We convene today for the second hearing of our inquiry into the systemic irregularities surrounding the flood control projects. Kagaya po ng gusto nating mangyari, hindi po kami nandito para magpalabas, para tayo po'y humanap ng katotohanan lamang na hinihintay po ng taong bayan. Let me be clear about the expectations for today's proceedings. This committee operates on the principle that promises made in the last hearing must be kept, especially when billions of pesos in public funds are at stake. To our colleagues from the Department of Public Works and Highways, thank you very much for appearing today. I recall that you promised this committee an initial list of details of ghost projects. We are holding you to that promise until today. Ang nangyari po kasi, ang ipinadala lamang initially rito ay dalawang ghost projects. That was not the intention. That was not the commitment made during the last hearing. That is why I have to text Secretary Bunoan and remind him that sa tanong ni Senator Jinggoy na marami naman talaga and you replied in the affirmative. So sabi ko, meron po kasi kaming information that a certain DE already confessed to you that the amount of 7.3 billion was used for ghost projects. 7.3 billion pesos. So on the assumption that each project will cost 100 million each, easily, ang ghost projects po ay nasa vicinity of something like 70 ghost projects. Ang nangyari po, ang pinadala nyo ay dalawa lang. Pagkatapos, upon my insistence, nagpadala po kayo ng isang document na hindi ko po masyadong ma-figure out, pero parang nag-i-indicate doon, you were saying that there are 17 or 15 projects na walang structure. Hindi ko po alam kung ang ibig sabihin nun, ghost projects, pero malayo pa rin po doon sa estimates na inaasahan po ng committee. So, ang ginawa po namin, we utilize the data coming from the President's website, at doon po ay malinaw po na there are about 60 indicative of ghost projects, at ang iba po naman ay nakonfirma doon po sa report ni Senator Ping nung siya po ay nag-deliver ng privilege speech. Kaya sa listahan po namin ay dapat po mga 60 ghost projects sana ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon, na sa ngayon po ay nakakalat sa maraming panig ng ating bansa.